How to set up auto temp and humidity control for your fan. First, set the fan speed you want it to run at when it's triggered. This is how hard the fan will work once your conditions are met. Next, choose your trigger mode. You can pick temperature, humidity, or both, depending on your needs. Then, set your target temperature or humidity. This is the point where your fan will kick in. You'll also see something called a dead zone. What does that mean? Let's say you set the trigger temperature at 25 degrees Celsius. If your room temperature keeps bouncing between 24 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius, your fan might keep turning on and off too often. To avoid this, simply set a dead zone of 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, approximately 3 to 6 degrees Fahrenheit, for temperature and 5 to 10% RH for humidity. This buffer helps prevent constant activation. Finally, set the standby speed. This ensures that your fan runs at 25% speed when not triggered, helping to continuously provide fresh air for your plants. How to set up cycle mode for your fan. First, just like before, set the fan speed you want it to run at. Next, set the start time. This is when you want the fan to begin its cycle. Then, decide on the duration, how long you want the fan to run, followed by the rest time, how long you want it to pause between cycles. After that, set how many cycles you'd like the fan to complete. Finally, set the standby speed as needed. This allows the fan to maintain a basic running speed during the shutdown duration, ensuring continuous airflow. How to set up timer mode. This mode is pretty simple. You can set up to 5 stages throughout the day for your plants, and customize the fan's behavior for each stage. Just like before, start by setting the fan speed you want for each stage. Next, set the standby speed. This determines whether the fan will completely turn off between stages or maintain a low speed. Finally, set the duration for each stage. This controls how long the fan will run during that specific time. And that's it. You've successfully set up timer mode. With just a few simple settings, your fan becomes a smart climate assistant for your grow tent.